The Instant Pot Duo Plus is an affordable multi-cooker that offers all the features of the Instant Pot Duo Nova, with a few notable upgrades such as the easier steam release switch. It's simple to use and doesn't come with an overwhelming number of preset programs, although this does mean figuring out cooking times and temperatures yourself. The Duo Plus cooks just as well as any other Instant Pot we've tested and comes in 3 sizes, making it a good option, no matter the size of your household. Key features: safer steam release, intuitive to use, 9-in-1 functionality, quick, easy cleanup. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Kitchen Ever-Present Instant Pot Duo Plus review. Let's get started. Performance. Pressure cooked rice was the first thing we prepared in this Instant Pot. We consulted the rice and grain cooking timetable on the Instant Pot website, and based on the quantity of brown rice, the suggested cook time was 20 to 22 minutes with a rice to water ratio of 1:1. Since the Duo Plus has a rice preset, we used this and just bumped up the time to 22 minutes. It took just under 7 minutes to preheat, and the instruction manual recommended a 10-minute natural pressure release, so the total cook time was 39 minutes. The end result was nicely cooked rice, not too sticky, and while the cook time is longer than on the stove, the convenience comes from not having to watch over it. A Thai red curry was our next recipe. We used the sauté function to brown the chicken legs, which keeps all the flavor in the pot and saves washing extra dishes. There are 3 sauté temperatures to choose from, and it took 5 minutes to preheat to the highest temperature. Once we'd added the rest of the ingredients, we set it to pressure cook on high for 20 minutes. The preheat took 10.5 minutes, and at the end, we flicked the switch to depressurize the pot. This took just 2.5 minutes. Design. We reviewed the 6-quart 5.7-liter capacity Instant Pot Duo Plus, and the size and footprint is similar to the other Instant Pots of this size. It measures 12.9 x 12.2 x 13.4 inches 33.5 x 31 x 33 centimeters, and the US model weighs in at 11.5 pounds, while the UK version weighs 5.6 kilograms. Generally speaking, these appliances are designed to stay on your countertop, but this one isn't too heavy to lift in and out of a cupboard if you prefer to hide it away. Plus, all the accessories including the power cord fit inside the pot, making it neater to store. The cooking functions available include pressure cook, slow cook, sous vide, yogurt, and sauté. The other settings are smart pressure cook programs for cake, egg, soup broth, rice, bean grain, porridge oatmeal, and a sterilize program. Every setting has customizable time and temperature or pressure options. There's also a keep warm mode that can be switched on at the start of cooking, so if you're not around when it ends, it'll keep your food warm. Additionally, the delayed start gives you the option to delay the start of cooking so that your meal finishes right at dinner time, a useful function that means it can start cooking while you're out at work.